JavaScript is a basic code language that runs without compilation in any browser. That means you don't need any fancy tools to write or test your script. All you need is a text editor and a browser. That said, having a great text editor, a modern browser, and some additional help or tools, and knowing how to use them all makes the job of writing JavaScript a lot easier. You can follow along in this course by setting up a development environment on your computer. Let me show you what tools I'll be using and give you an idea of some of the other tools to choose from. First, you need a code editor. Here, you can go for a standard code editor or a full-fledged integrated development environment or IDE. What matters is that your solution has proper support for JavaScript, including code highlighting and preferably code hinting. There are many great editors on the market right now, including Atom, Visual Studio Code, and Sublime Text. And on the IDE side, you have NetBeans, Aptana Studio, Eclipse, and more. For this course, I'll be using Atom, which you can download for free at atom.io. Next, you need a browser to run your JavaScript. Any modern browser will do, and all modern browsers have advanced developer tools built in it. So you can work with your script in their natural environment. And this is important. Develop your JavaScript in a single browser just so that you get everything to work. But test your JavaScript in all available modern browsers. That way, you know that your script works everywhere. For the most part, browser choice comes down to preferences, and you can follow along with any browser. For this course, I'll be using Chrome, which you can download for free at chrome.com. Finally, to simplify the development process and ensure that the JavaScript I write on my computer acts as if it was served up for a real web server, I'll use the Atom extension called Atom Live Server. It spins up a small web server on my computer and sends any change I make to my project directly to the browser on the fly. This step isn't required, but it streamlines the testing process and makes working with the code editor and the browser at the same time a much more enjoyable experience. So I recommend you to install Atom Live Server right now, directly inside Atom.